Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make these Christmas trees. I'm going to show you how to make the little one just so you kind of get an idea, and then I will post a pattern on my website for all the sizes. I had this in my brain and I can't believe it worked. So what you're going to need is Bernat roving yarn. For this one I used rice paper, color let rice paper, and then I'm going to do it in this color because I think you'll be able to see the work easier and it's putty. You're going to need your eye hook, and I think this is a number 5 weight. Yeah, number 5 weight. So you're going to need your eye hook, 5.5, some scissors, and I think that's it. And then I'm going to accessorize them. Excuse me, I'm a little sick. I'm going to accessorize them with these were buttons, but I'm going to put those as the stars, and then I have like these little tiny beads that I'm going to put around. So, and then maybe a bow. I don't know, that might be too much. So I might keep them just simple, classy with a little star on top. So here's how we get started. So you get your yarn, and we are going to start with a magic circle, and this is how I do mine. Excuse me, trees for now. Is you're gonna pretend like you're gonna make a slip knot, but you're not. So you have your yarn, you kind of just flip it over like so, and you hold your two ends, your tail is under, and you're going to insert your hook, and you're going to make, for the small one, you're going to make 6 half double crochets in this circle. Okay, so you're going to go inside your loop, you're going to grab your yarn, you're going to pull up a loop, you're going to grab your yarn over here, and you're going to pull through just to make like a chain. But we're not going to chain, that's just like our starting chain, if you will. Then you're going to insert your hook. Oh, I'm sorry, we're doing half double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to insert your hook, you're going to pull up a loop. So you're going to have 3 loops. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's a half double crochet. And we need 6 of those. So let's do another one. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, I'm sorry. Now you have 3, yarn over, pull through all 3. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you got this tail here, and you're just going to pull it. And you're going to make your circle tight. And then you're going to slip stitch to your very first stitch. So you're going to insert your hook. You're going to grab your yarn. You're going to pull through. And then you're going to pull through. And you're going to chain 1. And then what I do is I just tie a knot so it doesn't unravel. It's thick yarn, so it shouldn't unravel, but just in case. Okay. And then you're going to flip it. Make sure your knot's inside so your top is nice and clean. Okay, so then we're going to do what's called the herringbone stitch. And I learned this from Yarn and Chai. She's got all kinds of adorable hats and blankets of all sorts. And I love this stitch, and I thought it'd be perfect for the Christmas tree, and it is. So it's like so. You're going to yarn over like you're going to do a half double crochet. You're going to go inside your stitch. You're going to grab your yarn. You're going to pull up a loop, but then you're going to go through this first loop. So you have 2 stitches left. You're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull through those 2 stitches. Let me show you again. So you yarn over, you go into the next stitch. You're going to grab your yarn, you're going to pull through the loop, or through the stitch, then you're going to pull through the loop, the first one only, so you have 2 left, yarn over, and you're going to pull through both. So yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through stitch, pull through loop, you still have 2, yarn over, pull through both. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make sure that knot is on the inside, and then you're going to slip stitch to your very first stitch. Pull through, chain 1. So now we're going to do a series of stitches is where you do 1 herringbone stitch, 2 herringbone stitch. So we're kind of we are increasing. So we're going to go in the first stitch. We're going to do 1 herringbone stitch. Then we're going to go into the next stitch and we're going to do 2 herringbone stitches. Okay, then we're going to go into the next stitch. We're going to do 1 herringbone. Then we're going to go into the next one. We're going to do 2 herringbones. Okay, next stitch is just 1 herringbone. And then 2. And I sometimes like to make it like a cleaner end. I don't do 2 in that last stitch. I do 1 in this weird end stitch. So it just kind of cleans it nicely, but you can always just do them both in that same loop. I don't want to confuse anybody. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 all around. So it's starting to kind of look like it's a little textured here. So then the next round, you're just going to do herringbone stitches all around, 1 in each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, I'm going to slip stitch, chain 1. So the next one is we're going to do 1 herringbone, 1 herringbone, 2 herringbones. 1, 1, 2. So 1 herringbone stitch in the first one, 1 herringbone stitch in the next one, 2 herringbone stitches in the next one, 1 in the next, 1 in the next, 2 in this one, 1 in the next stitch, 1 in the next stitch, 2 herringbone stitches, 2 in this last one. Really? Slip stitch, chain 1. So now we're just going to do herringbone stitches all around. It's starting to look like a cute little tree. Okay. herringbone stitches all around. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Slip stitch, chain 1. Okay. So now what we're going to do is 3, 2. So 1 herringbone, 1 herringbone, 1 herringbone, 2 herringbones. So 1 herringbone in that same stitch we just finished in. It's a little tricky until you kind of get the hang of it, and then it's easy. 1 herringbone in the next, 1 herringbone in the third, and 2 herringbone in the fourth stitch. 1 and 2. 1 herringbone in the next, 1 herringbone in the next, 1 herringbone in the next, and 2 in the next. 1, 1, 1, and 2. Slip stitch, chain 1. And now we just do a herringbone all around. So there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and come on, 15, slip stitch, chain, whoa, chain 1, and there's your tree. I guess you can, let's weave in these ends. Come on. Okay. And I think if you wanted to, which I was thinking about doing, is cutting a piece of cardboard and stuffing them, but I don't know, I think they're just fine. And then it's like a little Russian doll. You can kind of fit them into each other. So I'm going to embellish these and show you how it looks in the end. But you can make all 3 sizes. I'm going to try my best and type it up and put it on my website as soon as I can. But here's the tiny one for now. Okay, so I couldn't resist. I did a tiny one that we showed you, or I showed you how to make, and then I made a medium size one, and then I kind of made one in between the medium and the large in 2 colors, and I really like how they turned out. It just looks like it's like an actual like pine cone or something. And like I said, you guys can stuff them and then maybe put like a cardboard in there, glue it so it doesn't fall out. But I like that you can like Russian doll them together. I don't know about the ones with the star, but I hope you guys like them. Make them, share them, let me know what you think, and I will try to think of some new stuff to make. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.